Hey everyone. So I was contacted by Kingsyard and they asked to send me two bird feeders of my choice. And so I selected a hummingbird feeder because my other one broke and the ones I have are plastic. And then the second one is a suet bird feeder, and I absolutely love the style of this one. So let's take a closer look at each of these. So I struggled with exactly which hummingbird feeder to select because they were all so beautiful. And then once I did finally select which one I wanted, I struggled with what color to select because they had so many different colors available. But I ended up with this green color, which to me reminds me of this green antique glass, and I really love it. I also love that the wide mouth, so it'll be really easy to clean. I like all the ports and that the hummingbird can actually have a little place to stand. I think that is really nice for them. And it's just so pretty. I absolutely love it. And I think it will be so easy to fill it and clean it in the future, which is really important to me. And it's just so pretty. And it also comes in other colors, like I said, and it comes in green, blue, pink, red, and purple. It has an ant moat as well. And I don't have an issue with ants, so I probably won't be adding this. It has a little flower design on it and it looks very pretty. But for now, I don't have an issue with ants, so I won't be adding it. So the second one I picked is this suet feeder, and it comes in the shape of a birdhouse. Absolutely adorable. Comes in black, blue, green, and red. And I went for the black because I have a lot of black fencing and I thought it would just go great in my yard. But look how super cute this little house is. And it's got a little smokestack and the little scalloped edges on the rooftop. Absolutely adorable. The other thing that sold me on this and was how easy it is to load the suet in it, which I always struggle with the other type that has little clips. And all you do is remove that little top and you remove the roof, and then you have a spot for two suet feeders. And then it's got a little perch for the birds. Absolutely beautiful. It's so perfect for me. And yeah, I just love the ease of how you load the suet on top. And, with squirrels and things like that, they will have a harder time really getting in there than with the clip on. So if you're interested in picking up any bird feeders from Kingsyard, visit their website and use code Monica Katie to get 20% off site wide. So now I'm quickly going to make some hummingbird nectar, and it's really easy. I'm going to take 2 cups of filtered water, and then next I'm going to measure out a half cup of sugar, and it has to be white sugar. And it is really 1 cup of water to 1/4 cup of sugar. So a 4-to-1 ratio. Next, I'm going to boil just part of the water, maybe about half of it. And then I'm going to add the sugar once it is all boiling and melt that sugar. So once it's all melted, I'm going to add it back into the cold water so that it can cool off completely. And the cold water that was there just helps it cool off faster. So there you go, just fill it up. And 2 cups actually was a little more than I needed for filling this up, but I'll save that in the fridge for later. And now to close it off and bring it out to the yard. So I'm putting it down here where I have some salvia, and I have seen hummingbirds come visit the salvia. Plus this gets some nice afternoon sun. so the nectar won't get too heated and get moldy too quickly. And I do have a shepherd's hook already set up in here, so it makes it really easy to just hang it up right here. And I think it looks absolutely beautiful in my garden. Such beautiful glass. Just love this feeder. Thank you, Kingsyard. It's beautiful. And I went out to Walmart and grabbed this mealworm seed cake. And it doesn't quite fit, but I'm going to chop off some of the sides and make it fit. I didn't want to use the cakes just yet. I'll use those in the winter. So I think the perfect spot for this feeder will be on my redbud tree. And the birds do fly through here a lot, so I think they would really enjoy having some seed in the fall. So again, if you're looking to buy bird feeders, take a look at Kingsyard. I'll leave that link down below. And don't forget to use code MonicaKatie to get 20% off site-wide. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.